Since someone commented that we can't beat quick lubes, yeah, we can every day. Here's the problem when customers choose a quick lube over a real mechanic. Auto repairs escalate and cost them 10 times more when they're in for service. That's a fact. I prove it every day. So when someone says to me, you'll never beat a quick lube, when the customer and the consumer wises up and realizes that they're overpaying for an oil change with technicians or lube techs that have zero knowledge of the car, zero. Most of them are just guys that need a job or just out of high school or wherever that have really no vehicle knowledge other than what the lubers teach them, which is nothing. I don't want to go to the doctor that's a pretend doctor, if that makes any sense to you. I want to go to the doctor that has knowledge and experience, right? You're not getting that in a quick lube. Hence the Subaru, right? I can just prove it, that their last stop was a quick lube for an oil change. The car has multiple safety issues that the customer may or may not be aware of. Where were they not being advised? Where they perceive that a quick lube is the guy taking care of their car. The quick lube is not the guy taking care of your car. The quick lube is the guy who's overcharging you for a convenient service. That convenient service, because they don't have the skill and ability and knowledge and product knowledge of multi-manufacturers, that one, you could wind up with a blown up engine or a blown up transmission very easily. Two, stripped out drain plugs is just a very common thing. Wheels falling off. Three is another common issue with all the quick lubes. This is facts. So by you choosing a quick lube and someone not keeping an eye on your vehicle for you because it's a machine and things fail at a faster rate than they have ever in our business, and the consumers are so distracted by their cell phones and technology and earpieces and headphones and smoking weed and drinking, whatever their vices are, that you just think that because you were just had it in the shop that your car's in good shape because they checked all the boxes. And it's not. In that fourth bay. So a quick lube is to, I would call this, and there's some quick lubes out there that have state inspection and master mechanics and other things and real toolboxes and tools and products and knowledge, but not all of them. I'm going to say probably 90% of them are the lesser of that. So yeah, using a quick lube multiplies your repairs and amplifies the cost because they don't know what they're looking at and they don't know how to advise you. And then when you finally wind up at the mechanic shop, that repair costs you 10 times more, or repairs cost you 10 times more because it's piled up because you went to the Jiffy Lube or you went to the Valvoline, and those techs don't know anything. I'm sorry, guys. You guys can't hold a candle to the real mechanics. That's a fact. Master techs, none. You have no clue. You guys are the lowest on the food chain for auto maintenance. Sorry, I just got to be honest. So by you choosing a quick lube over a real mechanic, you cost yourself more money in the long run, and that's a fact. Thanks for watching.